Okay. Paano naman kapag hahanapin natin yung area? So, perimeter, sabi natin, total ng all sides ng isang closed figure. Ang area naman is the number of square units on a flat space bounded by the sides of a polygon. Okay. So area of a square is given by the formula of area is equals to S times S or yung side times side. Okay. Kanina, di ba, 4 times S. Ito naman, yung measurement ng side ng square ay i-multiply mo lang sa sarili niya. Okay, let's have the example. Okay. Okay, let's say we have a square like this one. Okay, and measure it by 3 meters. Okay, ano sabi? Ang formula ay S times S. Yeah. S times S. Okay. Sige. S times S. Area. Uy. Area is equals to 3 meters times 3 meters. Okay. So 3 meters times 3 meters is equal to what? Equal to 9. Okay. So A is equals to 9 meter. Dahil pinag-uusapan natin yung area, sabi natin yung area is number of square. So 9 meter square. So kanina sa perimeter, wala siyang squared kasi ang pinag-uusapan lang natin yung total ng sides. Ngayon, ang pinag-uusapan natin yung number of squared in a flat surface. Ilan ba yung square meron doon sa flat surface or sa isang polygon natin? So, we have 9 meter square. Ayan. Okay. Paano naman pag rectangle? Okay. Let's have a rectangle formula. Okay. An area of rectangle is given by the measurement or by the formula of length times width. Yung length, yung haba, yung width, yung lapad. Okay. So let's say we have a rectangle. Ang measurement ng length niya, yung haba niya ay 9 centimeter. At yung kanyang width, yung kapal, yung kanyang width o kapal ay ano? Ay 4 centimeter. So, sabi natin, yun lang, length times width. Okay, length times width. So, pag kinompute natin yan, pag kinompute natin, 9 area is equals to 9 centimeter times 4 centimeter. So, 9 times 4 is equals to 36 centimeter. Dahil area pinag-uusapan, ano ulit yung ating measurement? That is squared. So, 36 centimeter squared. So, yan. So, madali lang yung ating area and perimeter. Ayan.